Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we will see a very delicious and easy chicken gravy recipe, and it's Lasooni Murgh or garlic chicken. Loaded with robust pungent flavors of garlic, this Lasooni Murgh or garlic chicken is so good to enjoy with naan, tandoori roti or even with zira rice or pulao. So let's start with this interesting chicken recipe. So for this recipe, I have taken here 500 grams of chicken with bones, and now we will marinate them by adding a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Next goes a teaspoon of salt or as per taste. Then goes 2 tablespoons of thick curd or dahi. We'll be doing just a basic marination, and now we will mix all the ingredients well over the chicken pieces. And we'll let them rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Then here I have taken 10 medium-sized garlic pods, which I will crush them roughly using a mortar and pestle. This is done, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that we'll heat a tablespoon of butter. We'll let the butter melt completely, and now into this we'll add the crushed garlic, and on medium to high flame we will saute the garlic until they are fried well and turn deep golden brown. And this is also done, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now in the same kadhai, we'll add a tablespoon of oil, and when the oil is hot, we'll add 1 small cinnamon stick or dalchini, 2 green cardamoms or elaichi, 2 to 3 cloves or long, and 2 whole garlic. We'll fry them for a minute so that the whole spices turn aromatic. And now into this goes some finely chopped onion, ginger, garlic. I have used here 1 medium onion, 6 to 7 garlic pods and a small inch of ginger. We saute them well until the raw taste of onion, ginger, garlic goes away and they turn golden brown in color. And once the onion, ginger, garlic has been fried well, we will add 1 large tomato which has been finely chopped using a hand chopper. But if you want, you can add the puree of 1 large tomato also. We'll add a teaspoon of salt now so that the onions and tomatoes cook faster. We'll mix this well. We'll keep the flame on medium and keep on stirring them in between until they turn soft and mushy. And now we'll add some spices. Here goes 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, half teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder for color, and 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder for some spiciness. We'll mix this well. And now I'll add a splash of water so that the spices don't get burned. We'll mix this once, and on low flame we will now cover and let this simmer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes we'll remove the lid, and as you can see our spice mix has been well fried by now. At this stage we'll add the marinated chicken pieces, and now on high flame we will stir and fry the chicken well for at least 5 to 6 minutes until the color of the chicken slightly changes and they turn golden brown in color. It's almost 5 to 6 minutes I have been frying the chicken, and now I will reduce the flame to medium And on medium flame, I will keep on stirring the chicken in between. By now the chicken has been well fried, and now on low flame we will cover and let them cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes we will remove the lid and stir the chicken once. They are well coated with the spice mix. At this stage we'll add some water to form a gravy like consistency. We'll give this a mix. And now again we will cover and let the chicken cook on low flame for 20 minutes or until they are cooked through. It's almost 20 minutes now. Let's check the chicken. The chicken is cooked well and the gravy looks yum. And just before turning off the flame, we will add the fried crushed garlic, which will further enhance the flavor of garlic in the gravy, and some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. We'll give a final mix. And our Lasooni Murgh is now ready to be served hot. So friends, I hope you'll try this delicious Lasooni Murgh or garlic chicken recipe. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.